this new panel. The customer upgraded the basement, and they wanted to add washer and dryer, which was going to be too much load for the old panel. I was supposed to do a service upgrade, but it was going to cost the customer a lot of money to basically upgrade from 100 to 200 amps. So what I did was I just gave them a simple solution, which was you can use your gas. You can have a gas stove. You can have a gas dryer, which would basically reduce the load, and you should be able to now do a simple swap out from 100 to 100. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. Um, this power, obviously, the power was shut off this morning by hydro. I'm waiting for the inspector. So basically, when I'm doing a service change, all I'm basically concerned about is getting my feeder cables in. And once I get my feeder cables in, the inspector will come. He will inspect my stuff, make sure everything is good, and he will basically give the go ahead to have the power turned back on. So this wire right now here, this is basically the ground wire, the bounding wire that sits inside your house. It comes from a ground clamp, ground bar. Okay, I always make sure that my stuff is tight. Okay. I tuck that in there. Up, big breeze. If you can see, now these are my service wires. I'm going to, as you can see, I have, these are aluminum wires. So by code, I have to use this to oxidize my wires when it comes to aluminum. So this is basically what you see here. You can see that it's a little bit dark. So I basically oxidize this. Once the inspector comes, he's going to be looking for this. Okay, if I don't have that, I'm going to get a defect. Why is my... Can you hear me? Okay, I had a phone call before.